Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to transform your Windows desktop into an epic Jujutsu Kaisen themed setup. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need an awesome wallpaper. Head over to your favorite wallpaper site like Wallpaper Engine or Wallpaper Heaven, or simply search on Google. What you need to type is Jujutsu Kaisen wallpaper. Now search for any wallpaper that you prefer. So I found this wallpaper that perfectly captures the Jujutsu Kaisen vibe. Now simply download it. Now once you've downloaded your wallpaper, right click on your desktop and click on personalize. Then go to background and go to browse. Now set the downloaded picture as your new wallpaper. Like this. Next, we'll add some cool widgets using Rainmeter. If you don't have Rainmeter installed, go to rainmeter.net. Simply go to rainmeter.net and download the latest version. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts. It's straightforward and won't take much time. Now, let's find some Jujutsu Kaisen Rainmeter skins. Websites like DeviantArt have a lot of user-created skins. Just search Jujutsu Kaisen Rainmeter skins and pick your favorite. Once you've downloaded the skins, unzip the files and move them to the Rainmeter skins folder, usually found in documents. Then open Rainmeter, click on refresh all and load your new skins. To really complete your look, will customize your desktop icons. Websites like Icon Archive or iConvert Icons can help you find or create Jujutsu Kaisen themed icons. After downloading your icons, right-click on the desktop icon you want to change. Then go to Properties. Then click on Change Icon and browse to your new icon file. Now, after you've done this, why stop at icons? Let's also change our cursor. Websites like RW Designer offer custom cursor sets. Search for a Jujutsu Kaisen cursor pack and download it. After you've downloaded, now to install, go to mouse settings, then additional mouse options, and under the pointers tab, browse and set your new cursors. And there you have it, your very own Jujutsu Kaisen themed desktop setup. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.